I got this Hoover vacuum. It doesn't work. They plug it in and it doesn't work. So hoping that it's a small issue. I'm gonna try to take it apart and see. Well, let me first actually start with testing it, because what if their outlet was bad? Okay, to rule out that as the power button. Yeah. Okay, so it really isn't working. Oh wait. Oh, this isn't good. Look at that. Okay, it's probably exactly what happened. Somebody yanked on the cord by accident or something. It looks like it's holding pretty good, so it's still connected. I'm gonna try taking this part, this pan, taking it out and see if I can see on the inside. Best to unplug it. Don't want to get tased. Did I miss one? Yeah, I did miss one right there. There's my issue. Look at the white ones. The white ones broke off. So it only got the black one is connected. It's a fuse, inline fuse for the positive, but oh, okay, look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, dude, it got, that's all the bricks falling. It got pinned during installation, see? It got pinned on here, and when they screwed the bolts in, they damaged it. So there you go, guys. I figured that even if these three wires aren't supposed to go together, there is a fuse. So the worst that can happen is a fuse will blow. But I'm pretty sure those three wires go together because there is no other wire that's naked. We got bingo. Yep. Alright, so that was it. That was our issue. There you go, folks. Something simple and easy like that. Got a new, good working item that is worth $150 for 20 bucks. I bought a lot of tools like that. This heat gun as well. No power, didn't work. I got it for like $2. This dirt bike didn't start. I got it to start. I just gotta put it together. This motorcycle doesn't start. I'm working on it right now. I'm about to get it started any minute, like probably within the next hour I'll get it started. I'm so close.